Hello, good day viewers. Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly support this channel by subscribing. Please like, comment, and share. Here we're given the following infinite sum. Here we have sum as n goes from 0 to infinity of n, open bracket, negative 1 raised to the power of n all over 2 raised to the power of n. We're here to compute the exact value of this sum, right? Okay, now let us try to recall the Maclaurin series expansion of 1 all over 1 plus x, right? So, this is equal to sum as n goes from 0 to infinity, then negative 1 raised to the power of n times x raised to the power of n, right? Okay, from here, I'm going to differentiate both sides with respect to x, right? So here, if you differentiate the left-hand side, we're going to have negative 1 all over 1 plus x squared. Then this is equal to, here, this is sum, n goes from 0 to infinity. So from here, the derivative of x to the power of n with respect to x is n times x raised by n minus 1, right? So we're going to have here n times, here we have negative 1 raised to the power of n, then times x raised to the power of n minus 1, right? Okay, now from here, I'm going to let x equals 1 all over 2, right? Then from the left, I'm going to have negative 1 all over 1 plus 1 over 2 squared. So this is equal to sum as n goes from 0 to infinity, n open bracket negative 1 raised to the power of n. Then right over here we have 1 over 2, then to the power of n minus 1, right? Okay, actually this sum we can also simplify here as follows. Here we have n minus 1 raised to the power of n. So right over here, 1 over 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power of negative 1, right? So here we have to write 1 over 2 to the power of n minus 1 as 2 raised to the power of negative 1, then raised to the power of n minus 1, right? Okay, according to the law of indices, so these powers are going to multiply together, right? So, but right over here we have negative 1 all over, here we have 1 plus 1 all over 2, that is going to give us 3 all over 2, right? Then here we have squared. So this is equal to sum, n goes from 0 to infinity, right? So here we have n over negative 1 raised to the power of n. And right over here, if you multiply these powers together, we're going to have 2 raised to the power of 1 minus n. Cool. Okay, now from here, this is sum, n goes from 0 to infinity, negative 1 raised to the power of n. Then here we have n, right? So then, we can write this 2 raised to the power of 1 over n as 2 to the power of 1, right? Then all over 2 to the power of n. So let's just put this one here. This is one of the laws of indices, that when we are dividing two expressions with the same base, we just need to subtract the powers, right? Okay, now from here, this is going to be negative 1 all over, here we have 9 over 4. So this is going to be equal to, these two we can write it out of this sigma here. So here we have 2 sum, n goes from 0 to infinity. So right over here we have n negative 1 to the power of n, then all over 2 to the power of n. Okay, from the left here, this is actually negative 4 all over 9, right? Is equal to 2 sum, n goes from 0 to infinity, n over bracket negative 1 to the power of n all over 2 raised to the power of n. Okay, now let us go back to the problem. So right over here, we're asked to evaluate this sum. n, or bracket negative 1 raised to the power of n, all over 2 raised to the power of n, right? And from where we just arrived now, so I think we have something similar to what we're asked to evaluate. Just we have these two here, right? So we just need to divide both sides by 2. So if we divide both sides by 2, so right over here we're going to have this to be divided by 2, and here we're going to divide by 2. So these 2 cancel these 2, and here we are left with the sum which we're asked to compute. So that is sum n goes from 0 to infinity of n over negative 1 raised to the power of n all over 2 to the power of n, and this is equal to, if you simplify this, well, so we're just going to have negative 4 over 9 divided by 2 over 1, right? So this sum is equal to negative 4 over 9 times 1 over 2. That is taking the reciprocal of here. 2 here 1 and 2 here 2, and this is exactly equal to negative 2 over 9, and this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please like, comment, and also share my videos. Bye bye.